pleasant day to each and everyone. Culture was developed naturally in the lives of human beings. It provides every individual with a sense of belonging and unity within the group and allows us to share the past and the history of where we come from. Culture, heritage, and traditions represent a critical piece of culture and history. These are the structure and foundation of every families in society. Culture and cultural heritage reminds us that they are part of our history that defines our past, shapes who we are today, and who we can be. So why is it important that we have to learn, study, and preserve our culture, cultural heritage, and history? So that is just a very simple question that anyone can answer. Cultural heritage, and history are important part of many people's lives. It influences our views, hopes, values, loyalties, and the way we take action in today's society. It is very important that when we are working with different people and building relationships with them, we need to have some perspective and understanding of different cultures. Cultural heritage is the backbone of every nation around the world. The emergence of the concept of cultural heritage is a result of a long historical development in which different values are attached to tangible cultural heritage such as monuments, buildings, work of arts, artifacts, landscapes, and intangible cultural heritage such as rituals, language, and traditions. Cultural heritage, and history are the glue that binds us together as people and as nation. It is very important to know, study, and learn our culture, history, and preserve our cultural heritage because these are the things that gives us the chance to understand the traditions that are specific to our ancestor. With this, we can gain historical perspective of our family and culture, including details about the unique heritage that we have. Cultural heritage are not just a set of cultural objects or tradition from the past. It is also the result of selection process, a process of memory and oblivion that characterizes every society that constantly engage in choosing what is worthy of being preserved for the future generations. There are many Filipino culture that we can adore, maintain, and be proud of. We Filipinos are very religious, respectful, and we take pride for our family. We help one another, and this culture describes who we are and what we are as a Filipino. Cultural heritage are part of our history that not only have a national significance, but also have a unique characteristic that are significant to our country. An example of this are the Santo Tomas de Villanueva Church in Miagao, Iloilo, the Battle of Mactan Monument in Cebu, and the Rizal Monument at the Luneta Park in Manila. So these are the example of cultural heritage that are significant not only for our historical value, but also for our identity as a Filipino. We must maintain and preserve the overall appearance and authenticity of this cultural heritage that been part of our history. The cultural heritage, and history are the legacy from the past that binds us together until now. A legacy that we must learn, study, preserve, and be proud of.